Hey, what is up guys, Coach Nick here, and this is gonna be video number 1 on my call center video course. And in this video I will teach you on how to speak English fluently. Let's go. Alright guys, call center video course number 1, how to speak English fluently. The very first thing we're gonna do is we will practice on how to introduce yourself. Kasi kahit ano pong settings yan na mai-encounter nyo sa call center, the very first thing you're gonna start if you meet someone new is you need to introduce yourself. And this is how you introduce yourself. There, I already created a template. I highly recommend you write this down in your notebook so you can practice it over and over again. But this is how you basically introduce yourself. First, you start with your name, and then where you are from, your highest educational attainment, which school you graduated or you came from, and then your favorite hobby. This information right here, they are all very important. So write it down on a piece of notebook and then practice it later on. Let me give you my example. Hi there, my name is Nick. I am from Hinoba, Negros Occidental. I took up Bachelor of Science in Nutrition and Dietetics at Silliman University. My favorite hobby is running. Second, EOP. Guys, do you have any idea what is the meaning of EOP? Actually, EOP stands for English Only Policy. And this is the very first rule in a call center. 2 reasons why we speak English at all times in a call center. Number 1, because most of our customers are American. Therefore, there are native English speakers and English is their first language, and that is how we communicate to our customers. Second is for our English to also improve every day. So you need to practice EOP starting today. As much as you can, speak English at all times. Next, here are some basic call center scripts that I've written down, and these are the most common call center scripts we use in a call center. Let's practice speaking this at least 3 times. This is what we call the opening spiel. Let me give you an example. Thank you for calling customer service. My name is Nick. How may I help you today? Now, your turn. Try to read it aloud. Okay, let us read it again. Thank you for calling customer service. My name is Nick. How may I help you today? Now, your turn. Alright, one more time. Repeat after me. Thank you for calling customer service. My name is Nick. How may I help you today? Very good. Next. And the second one, this is what we call the hold spiel, and we use this script every time we need to do something and we need to be silent for a long time. Now again, let's do this at least 3 times and repeat after me. May I please place you on hold for 1 minute while I pull up your account? Again, may I please place you on hold for 1 minute while I pull up your account? Last, may I please place you on hold for 1 minute while I pull up your account? Lastly is what we call the closing spiel, or almost the closing spiel. Is there anything else I can help you with? Again, is there anything else I can help you with? One more. Is there anything else I can help you with? Alright guys, if you want to have a one-on-one live call center training with me, plus a complete call center video courses and ebooks, just message me the number 1 on my Facebook page. There's gonna be a link on the description box of this video. And with that being said, I wish you best of luck to your success.